discussing about overload methods. So what is method overloading? If a class has multiple methods having same name but different in parameters, it is known as method overloading. Method of overloading is the concept which is derived from polymorphism. That is, a methods with same name but different parameters. If we have to perform only one operations having same name of the method, increases the readability of the program. Suppose you have to perform addition of the given number, but there can be any number of arguments. If you write the method such as a int for 2 parameters and b int for 3 parameters, then it may be difficult for you that or other programmers to understand the behavior of the method because its name differs. But when we have to do addition, but instead of naming the method with different name, we can use the same naming convention for all the methods, for 2 digits number or for 3 parameters numbers also. So in this way it is helpful to make our program easy to write and understand. So different ways to overload the method. There are 2 ways to overload the method in Java: by changing the number of arguments or by changing the data types. If we can only change the data types of the arguments, we can also perform the overloading. Let's see the code how we can perform the method overloading in Java. Let's discuss about method overloading. For method overloading, first of all we create a class adder1, and inside the class we take 2 method, that is add with integer parameters and add with double parameters. In this code we are doing method overloading with the help of different parameters. So in first method we use int parameter, and in second method we use double parameter, and in both the parameters we return the value a plus b, and as both the parameters are of different types but same number of arguments. In test overloading, first of all we just create a main method, and inside the main method we just call the method of adder.add and adder1.add and provide the different parameters over here. Let's execute it. For this we are already in our program, so like java test overloading .java. So it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java test overloading. See, it will give the value 22 and 24.9. So we are using the argument of same type but different same number but different parameters, and hence we can also, it also gives the value of the result. Let's discuss about the other types of method overloading. That is, in type it will be same but number of arguments will be differ. So in the similar way we just make two method, that is add, and in first method we use 2 parameters int a and int b, and in second method we use 3 parameters int a, int b and int c, and in the first method we just return a plus b, and in the second method we just return a plus b plus c. Just save it and let's execute it. Java test overloading 1.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java test overloading 1. See, it will also give the result, that is 22 and 33. As 11 plus 11 is 22, and when we add 11 plus 11 plus 11, it gives 33. So in this way we are implementing the method overloading in Java. Thank you.